How to delete Canva recording. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete your recording on Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. First step, open up your Canva, head over to canva.com, and after you're on your Canva, go to the project that you have your recording of. I'll just open this project up right here, and on the top right, you'll find the share icon. So let's let this load, and there we go. There's the share icon. Tap on it, and there you will see public view link. Now tap on this public view link, and to delete the link, all you have to do is tap on those three dots right here, and then tap on delete. Then again, tap on delete right here, and you have deleted your recording. The other way you can do this, or other way you can delete your recording, is by heading over to uploads right here, heading over to videos, and on videos, you'll find your recording. Simply tap on this and tap on this trash icon. And again, tap on move to trash, and there we go. And it's that simple. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye-bye.